Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Wave Accounting, track small business finances step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Wave Accounting. Once the website loads, locate the login button at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be directed to the login page. Here, enter the email address associated with your Wave Accounting account. Make sure to double-check for any typos. Next, move to the password field. Type in your password carefully. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link for assistance. After entering your credentials, click the Login button. If your information is correct, you will be taken to your Wave Accounting dashboard. From here, you can start tracking your small business finances. Explore the various features Wave Accounting offers to manage your finances efficiently. If you encounter any issues during the login process, refer to the support section on the Wave website for help. This completes the login procedure for Wave Accounting. Now you are ready to get started with your financial tracking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.